Thank you, Keith. Mr. President, honored guests, members of the Society, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sincerely honored to have been asked to present the David W. Taylor Medal to Joseph P. Fischer. The Taylor Medal is one of our Society's most prestigious awards. Certainly, this year's distinguished medalist well represents the professional capabilities and accomplishments envisioned by the award's namesake, Admiral David W. Taylor. Joe is a member of the Great Lakes and Great Rivers section of SNAME, as I am, and therefore, I'm even prouder and more delighted to make this presentation tonight. Joe is a true family man. I guess it's rather typical of the Great Lakes Marine community. Joe's wife, Judy, and all 8, yes, 8 of their children were planning to be with us at the banquet tonight. Unfortunately, their son, Fred, was stranded in Green Bay, but certainly he's here in spirit, and in this case, 7 rather than 8 is enough. Joe Fischer is the consummate naval architect and marine engineer. He's always used first principles, broad practical experience, an exceptional amount of common sense, and excellent communication skills in his design, engineering, and consulting work. I can think of only one other person to compare with him, a fellow Great Lakes section member and a well-known educator who taught Joe and me, and I expect many of you here tonight. This person, of course, is Harry Benford, who was awarded the David W. Taylor Medal 33 years ago in 1976. Joe's list of accomplishments is nearly endless, as you can see from the citation in the program tonight. It includes repowering vessels from steam to diesel, conversion of bulk carriers to self-unloaders, and obsolete ships to ATBs. It also includes many designs from tugs and barges to giant 1,000-foot self-unloaders. Joe has for many years run a very successful engineering firm, Bay Engineering, and prior to that, managed the largest U.S. fleet of self-unloaders on the Great Lakes, and perhaps the largest in the world, the American Steamship Company. Joe is an expert consultant in demand around the world. He has worked in places like India, China, the U.S. Gulf, as well as the Great Lakes. Joe is also a gifted teacher. He often writes engineering essays on various interesting subjects for maritime publications. And he's always willing to educate his colleagues, and he's totally unselfish with his advice and guidance. The list of previous recipients of this award, beginning with Admiral Taylor himself in 1936, is certainly an impressive one. Joe's long and distinguished career, his very significant professional achievements, and his devotion to his profession and to his professional society certainly make him worthy to be counted among them. Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of his numerous outstanding accomplishments in the domestic and international marine industry, I'm honored to present the 2009 David W. Taylor Medal for notable achievement in naval architecture and marine engineering to my friend and colleague, Joe Fischer. Joe, will you join me? Thank you. There we go.